So look, today we're gonna be talking about the blockchain. Yes, the blockchain. I'm gonna give y'all I
get paid to fly on the daily. High fashion, no more looking lazy. Versace, Bodega, Da Vinci, Gucci, Louis, Prada, and Fendi. Armani, Cartier, damn, I'm so busy. I can't get caught capping, I keep it the
Yeah. Another day, another dollizer. Another day, another dollizer. Hey, I'm joking with y'all. It's crypto form Fargo. Again, I'm no financial advisor. This is no financial advice. This is purely for educational purposes only. This is purely for entertainment purposes only. Okay? So look, today we're gonna be talking about the blockchain. Yes, the blockchain. I'm gonna give y'all a easy to comprehend definition of the blockchain. Okay, I know y'all been trying to figure out what it is, why people been talking about it. My name is Crypto Forum Fargo, and today I'm gonna teach y'all about the blockchain. Let's go, Crypto Forum Fargo, let's go. As you can see, we on Google again, and this is probably one of the most requested definitions. Blockchain, what is blockchain? As you can see, it's a little technical, but you know, the definition is right here. It was created and launched in 2011. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transaction that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer systems on the blockchain. Blockchain is a type of DLT in which transactions are recorded with the immutable cryptographic signature called a hash. So this is where our money is being transferred, y'all. Okay, this is where our NFTs are being transferred. They have to go through this. Anytime you get a wallet address or anything, this is where it's going through. It's going through the blockchain. It's almost like whenever you go to the state credit union, you go to the bank and you're outside and you have to take the little parcel. You have to take the parcel and put your stuff in it, right? You put your little stuff in it and then you send it right back through it. That's what the blockchain is, but it's digital. It's digitally. Boy, I'm not talking right this morning, am I? Anyway, that's the definition of a blockchain, all right? This is where we get this is how we can send and receive our transactions. It's crypto form Fargo. To the moon we go, to the moon we go, to the moon we go. All right?
Run it out like I just ran a race. 1 million, want me a plan. You ain't got none yet, why is you playing? You ain't got none yet, why is you playing? On the stack of the highs again. About to charge it like I'm super sane. Got the drip and I'm dapper the damn. In the I'm number one fan. Heard it once, now they loving the chant. Burn the zero, they all in a rant. On the ball like I'm Kevin Durant. Yeah, you can do it, don't say that you can't. In the inner, we all in a pack. We got it on lock like a latch. Oh no, we ain't got a count. Like I just ran a race. 1 million, want me a plan. You ain't got none yet, why is you playing? Gotta hold it, can't let go my reign. Run it out like I just ran a race. 1 million, want me